up, guys? Welcome to a new video. I'm gonna go pick up my front pipe. I ordered it through the black market, and I have my Uber driver right here with me. We're actually gonna stop by at the mall first because we gotta, you know, buy some things. But after that, I'm gonna head to Folsom and then my front pipe. Alright everyone, we are finally at Lazy Cow right there. Gonna get boba. So yeah. Yes sir.
Yes sir.
We got some, what is that?
Strawberry,
blood milk tea. And blood milk tea.
There's not even milk.
I mean
there's no milk.
Water tea or whatever. Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah, but now we're gonna go pick up the front pipe.
Yes sir.
Taste test. Bussin'. My Uber driver's now taking me to get my front pipe. Alright guys, at the spot, you know, I got my 1320 front pipe, which I transported to Nevada and back to Sacramento.
It's not focused.
Alright, time to take this thing home and it's good.
Good? Okay. Him and his baby, bro.
Alright guys, finally got the front pipe and we are now gonna get something to eat. So yeah. And then I will install the front pipe a different day. Alright guys, back at the crib. We got In-N-Out. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here, and then after that, you know, gonna install it. So part 2
later.
Alright guys, welcome back to the video. I got my front pipe right here and your boy's about to go install it. I'm about to go to my friend's house, and I'm gonna go to Jason's house first to pick up some ramps, but I'm gonna go somewhere else to install my front pipe. Alright everyone, so sadly I wasn't able to get any clips. Me and my friends were too busy putting on a front pipe and it was cold. But I did manage to record a startup and some drive-bys. Shout out to my friends Jeff and Jake for helping me.
Oh shit fell off. First startup. Oh, you got the camera, okay. Should be recording. Thanks. That shit not focusing, bruh. how do I get this shit to focus? Auto?
Yeah. Alright guys, I finally made it home and here are some exhaust clips. Yeah. Yeah. Again, keep going. What? Keep going. Alright guys. So I am now at Dutch Bros with the boys. They're parked over there. I'm right here. We're here to actually apply for a job. So hopefully me and Vince get it. Wish us luck. Shout out Vince for printing my resume right here.
Their workers might be watching, right?
I'll give a fuck.
A few moments later.
I thought it.
Alright guys, we just came in, they took our application. I honestly don't think they're gonna hire us. Yeah, all, the 3 jobless guys and me.
Not me. Four.
Huh?
Not me.
Where are you working
All
at?
of us are jobless.
What do you mean? Me?
Oh shit.
Yeah, I still work at some
yeah.
bum ass place, but
How do you zoom in? Don't make noise when you. Stand over there so you don't get tired. Hey, Giveon. Hey, kitty. Hallie.
what's up, Vince?
Count it down, bro.
2, 1, That's a practice thing.
Ain't no fucking.
I lost.
Bro, if I don't attack, I lose.
Word.
My fucking slowed down, right?
Yeah, honestly guys, that's the video right there. Couldn't record my front pipe install because I was too busy. Here were the clips. Huh?
What'd you record?
Barely anything.
Just the pole?
Yeah, I just recorded the pulls and the sounds. So yeah. But that's it for the vlog. So see you guys. And we are home with my boy. What's up, Toby? Toby, big boy, Toby. Alright guys. If you guys liked the video, you know, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.